Good morning, guys. Good morning. What's up? How's everybody doing? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to Trading with David 305. We're live. We're live. Let's see what's going on. Obviously, we had that massive pump yesterday. Obviously, a lot of chop, a lot of rejection off EMA 200. We're just chopping now on the higher time frames. We're under VWAP, so the bias is kind of bearish right now until we get above VWAP. We got all the EMAs on top of us, so yeah, this thing looks like it wants to go down. ATR is at 35 on the 5-minute time frame. That's still pretty high for pre-market. Obviously not like what it was yesterday. I think it was already like at 60 because of that big move, this big green giant. So I hope you guys got your coffee. I don't know what it is, but Tuesdays are rough somehow. Why? I don't know. All right. Let's see. First things first, news, right? What do we got for news? We got red folders at 9:45. As soon as the orb is set, we should see a big momentum candle with 2 red folders at 9:45. Good morning, Lauren. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are ready to make some money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. So yeah, and then we got an orange folder at 10 a.m. So not too concerned about the orange folder, more concerned about the red folders. And yeah, that's about it. All right, so let's mark out London high and London low, right? First things first. This was yesterday here. So we took those longs on the breakout of the orb. Long. And that it ended up popping higher than we thought, but it was a lot of chop after and a huge rejection to VWAP. It got too far away from VWAP. So it was like, all right, let's retest that. Did it and then bounced again. And then Asia session opened, did a little bit of a bounce, then a big drop. And London distributed. Good morning, Soundgeneering. Good morning. Took out the Asia high, London. Still have an Asia low here, so we should mark out some of these levels, right? Let's go with the ray. Let's mark out the London high. Man. All right, London high. 24,507. All right, 24,507 is the London high. I'm going to also mark out Asia low. All right, more or less Asia low is 24,193.25. And then we have the current London low that's probably going to get swept any second now. Oops. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. And that is 24,264. That is the current London low, which could get swept at any moment. I believe that's this, yeah. 24. Oops. I marked that too. Okay, 24,192. That's this swing low on the 1 hour. That's the Asia low. That's the Asia low on the 1 hour time frame, guys. So ATR is at 35 on the 5-minute time frame. For the last 3 weeks, that's actually been normal. But normal is really like 11 or 16 ATR for pre-market. Not 35. But either way, we're going to stay patient. We're going to find a good trade, guys. We're going to find a good trade. And I usually kind of call it out right before, like, I do it. I kind of tell you what I'm looking for, right? Well, London looks like it was just taken out. We got a new London low. All right. Then we've been hearing this song for a while. Let's change it to just something else. I don't care. All right. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what the S&P 500 looks like. Very similar. It does have an Asia low down here also, so whatever, close enough. And it looks like it's headed right for it. It looks like it wants to sweep that Asia low already. Oh shit! Yo, they just swept it on. I just marked it out right now. It just went down and swept it. All right, Asia low on ES has been swept and taken out pre-market. Damn, bro, that shit didn't give me a second. It's like, oh no, wait, let me go take that out. Shit. All right, well, maybe when the market opens, it's gonna want to pump. Who knows? Wanted to take that out. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay, that was the S&P 500 just swept that Asia low there. Anything below that? Yeah, of course, but let's see the 1 hour here. 1 hour got very close. I'm sure it's going to continue pumping because now I got to go for... It's so close. It's got to take out the Asia low on NQ, right? Maybe. Maybe not. Crazy. I literally just marked it out on S&P and it's like, yeah, it just dumped. It just dumped. All right, so these are my sound effects, guys. If you guys are wondering, when you hear Green Giant, that's where I got them. So it's right on this screen, and then you'll hear. Practice!
Nuke incoming!
Yup, right off that website. Pretty crazy. No, it's not a soundboard. But that's I have like a login, and then I have my set sound effects on that website, which is pretty cool. I like it. But anyways, yeah, that shit just nuked. This is the S&P and this is NASDAQ. Still waiting for it to hit this low. Maybe it'll do it when the market opens. Maybe it won't. Maybe it'll just shoot up. I don't know. Either way, we still have a lot of time, guys. I don't trade pre-market and I don't trade the first 15 minutes. So y'all have fun. Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it. God bless you too. Yeah, so we're here just waiting for the market to open. Pretty much a lot of nothing. Just we had that massive pump. Let's go back to the higher time frame. Massive pump from that tweet. Yesterday I was like, what the hell is this? This is a crazy ass pump, guys. Gas still holding $90 support, so expected sideways action with perfect setups for a range is my prediction on probability. Yeah, I mean, crude oil goes up, NASDAQ will go down. Crude oil goes down in price, NASDAQ should go up. That's usually kind of how it works. Yeah, it's probably going to be choppy because of this massive green giant here. That was from the tweet that Trump sent out about a 5-day pause on the war, so that came out positive. Is it true? We don't know, but regardless, we read not just the fundamentals, which is the news, but we read the technicals, right? So look at, as soon as it hit the swing high and EMA 200, we got back in the range. There's a massive imbalance here. Imbalances need to be rebalanced, right? So most likely this will be rebalanced sometime this week. Correct. Yeah, exactly. It's an inverse correlation. Exactly. Yeah, that Trump tweet is really what made this happen. If you want to see how big of a pump this is, it's pretty crazy. So what we shoot for, guys, when we try to make a trade is usually about 50 points, right? 50-60 points. This candle height went all the way to 889 points. Insanity. That's generational wealth right there, guys. Can you imagine? You go full port down here, you're like, man, this thing's gonna pop right here. This would probably be the long for me if I was trading during this time. No lie. If this is I see this bullish inversion right here under VWAP, maybe not. Be honest, I probably wouldn't take it, but this inversion right here kind of tells you it wants to maybe go up. It does some sort of a pullback. Pullback never sweeps under the previous candle, so this is where your stop should be. Wow, rich. Well, apparently somebody put $1.5 billion as a long in the futures market, in the market we're trading right now, and made about $100 million with this pump. So insider trading, maybe. Maybe 15 minutes before this news came out. Come on, guys. nobody really could tell that the shit was gonna rip like that right through all the EMAs. I personally would be looking for shorts, to be honest, here, because just there's nothing. This candle right here tells you rejection off VWAP. This shows indecision. Right after indecision, a massive pump. That's a little strange. Like, I don't know. And to catch that on the lower time frames, let's see. If I was awake for this, which I wasn't, because it was like a little too early for me. Yeah, there's no way to catch this, guys. There's no way to catch this, really. Maybe on this candle here on the 5 minute. And what time was that? 7 a.m. That's tricky, guys. Going for that swing high, and then it just ripped. Oh my god. I mean, I'm sure other people took that trade, because right here it started pumping slightly. Started pumping right here when it got above EMA 50, but you still have VWAP on top. I probably would have aimed for the swing high right here, and then can you imagine? Oh yeah, I hit 50 points. This shit goes 800 points up. You're like, oh my god, I made a little bit of money. I don't know. That'd be funny as shit. I kind of retired my whole generation, and I just made 50 points. Anyways, guys, market's opening in about 11 minutes. And I'm only trading the eval today. I am not trading funded accounts. This market is very volatile, and these Trump tweets are out of hand, man. This guy could just wreck your whole trade by tweeting some shit out. You know what's crazy, guys? I literally just opened up a Twitter account yesterday because of that candle. Because I didn't have one. And I know that's crazy to not have a Twitter account. But I needed to know what the hell's going on. Because every time this guy sends a freaking tweet out, the market goes crazy. And I can't know after the fact. I have to know immediately. Well, especially to let you guys know, because yesterday I was lost. I was like, yo, somebody tweeted. I knew somebody sent some sort of news, because that was insane. But if I would have had Twitter, I would have seen Mr. Trump's post. So let's see. See? And now I got like notifications on anytime that guy tweets. So Trump calls on the world to join a multinational naval coalition to keep the Strait of Hormuz open. Italy rejected, Spain rejected, Japan rejected, France is hesitant, Canada rejected, Australia rejected, China no response. Yeah, I mean, that oil is more for them than for us. We'll be all right. They're the ones that are gonna really struggle. So but this was a great test. I've been hearing that this is a great test for NATO and why we shouldn't be in NATO, because look, at the moment we need help or we need assistance for things, they're like, nah, we're not gonna help. We're not gonna help during this thing. There you go. There's your loyalty test. Failed. You played yourself. You played yourself, NATO. We really don't need them. We are NATO. Um, but yeah, let's see what else we got yesterday. So they sent ICE to the airports since TSA is underfunded right now. That should be interesting. You imagine you're traveling and you're oh boy. Well, you're not supposed to be traveling if you're an illegal alien anyways, on an airport, at an airplane, on an airplane. I mean, there's people that are visiting too, which is very different. Yeah, TSA's been working for free. Those people haven't gotten paid in weeks, man. Feel bad for those people. That sucks. Crazy. All right, guys. Market's opening very, very soon in about 8 minutes. 8 minutes. We should have the market, or 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Market will be opening. All right. So far, no other news. All right. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we can catch a little bit of a banger here. I'm good with $200 today. What do we got for the week? So far, we did a little win yesterday, so we're up 297. 297. If I make another 200, we should be at 500. ATR is at 38, so be wary. Didn't take out this swing low here, but we did take it out on the S&P 500. We are under all the EMAs and VWAP. All these lines right here are moving averages, right? We have a clear downtrend. Clear downtrend, guys, currently. I'm thinking it wants to take this low out. So let's see when the market opens if it taps this imbalance. Maybe fills a little bit more, maybe fills the whole thing. Tries to go up. If it stays under VWAP, guys, we're gonna have to look for shorts. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. All right. All right, so we got about 5 more minutes. I know. David, get your coffee, guys. Just, trading relaxed is the key. There we go. 5-minute timer. Just trade relaxed. You're trading way too tense. You're nervous. You're anxious. Relax. Breathe. It's gonna be okay. Nothing can happen if you don't trade. If you don't hit that buy or sell button, nothing will happen. Holding money is a position also, guys. So you know. Trade an eval. Don't stress yourself out. The market is very volatile. Or don't trade at all. You know? All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow. What is it my daughter said? Share the video to your friends if they're interested in day trading with very little funds. You could day trade with $50 or $100, guys. Now, I recommend to use a prop firm if you're learning, not to use real cash in a live account with $50 or $100, because most likely you're gonna get cooked. It's very difficult to multiply that. But with a prop firm, you buy it for 50 or 100 bucks, and if you follow their rules, you can make money. I'm proof. I've done it. It's very difficult, don't get me wrong, but it's a way to protect yourself and trade and learn to trade. But yeah, guys, there's many prop firms out there that you can learn with. Just do your research, all right? Let's go. Here we go. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready for the New York Stock Exchange to open? I think it's gonna dump at open. Why? Because we haven't hit this swing low on NQ, and I think it wants a little more down here. That's just my opinion. Now, am I gonna take a short at 9:30? No way. But yeah, you guys could do whatever you like. Not financial advice though, okay? I'm looking for a very solid setup that I'll be happy with losing. That's the key, guys. That's the only thing you can control here, is your loss. So if I take a trade and I lose, and it's something I normally don't take, that pisses me off even more, because I wasn't patient and I didn't wait for my setup. I took it out of FOMO, which annoys me. So I'll let the market move all day, guys. All day. Anyways, market's gonna open now. We got about 40 seconds. Let's see what this thing wants to do today. Let's stay patient. We got news at 9:45. Red folders. Oh, that should just flip green, right? Look at that. You see? You see? You just never know at the market open. 20 seconds. 25, 23, 22, 21. Here we go. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Market is open. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, ladies and gentlemen. Is it gonna dump? Is it gonna pump? What do you guys think it's gonna do? Should I make a poll? Let's engage. Let's start a poll. Where will the market go today? We're gonna say pump, dump, or sideways. Makes sense. Where the heck? Okay. There we go. Sorry about that. The poll is off. Let's see. That's the chat, guys, right there. Okay. I look at the chat. I be looking. All right, so we're getting a massive pump here. You guys ready? This thing looks like it's didn't sweep the low. It didn't sweep that swing low, and it's pumping. Is it gonna get inverse this and close up here, guys? A strong V-shaped recovery. If it closes up here, shit, and it goes sideways, then we're cooked. But I might take a trade right before the market the 15-minute orb. If it closes strongly up here, guys, yo. But gotta be careful. Actually, let's just relax. Let's just relax. ATR is at 38. Yeah, I would need to see some crazy green giant, to be honest. Like, ooh, completely. You know what I don't like is that it didn't tap the swing low, man. If it would tap the swing low and then close up here, that's it. It's going to the moon. Not to the moon, but maybe to at least the swing high. But the fact that it didn't sweep down here did kind of like a, not even an equal low, man. I don't know. I don't like that. But I do like, it did tap it. It did tap it on ES. It definitely tapped that Asia low, which, you know, maybe that's why it's getting its push. Let's see what happens, guys. We want to make sure that it breaks above VWAP on both. Let's get multiple confirmations, right? Multiple confirmations. I was watching I don't know, some of you guys might watch Big Daddy Max and Llama. I was watching Llama explain confirmations. I loved his analogy. I loved it. That shit was fire. Because he was like, if I tell you to punch somebody, you're probably not going to punch him. But if I start giving you reasons to punch him, oh, he's a bad guy, I'll give you money.
Connection lost.
Oh, great. Then it gives you more reasons to punch the guy in the face, right? So it's the same thing with trading. You get more confirmations, gives you more reasons to take the trade. So that was a pretty cool analogy there, which is very true. So we got to get those multiple confirmation, guys. Multiple confirmations. Stay patient, guys. Relax. 9:45, we got red folders. We got red folders at 9:45. And there's also a orange folder at 10 a.m. So be careful. ATR is at 42 on the 5-minute time frame. So it looks like it just hit this EMA 21 on ES, which is the S&P 500, and NASDAQ tapped the EMA 21 and the pivot point and is having a clear rejection back to the downside. Let's pull up the higher time frame, hit the pivot point, and we're getting a little push down after tapping the pivot point. I know it's really small here, but yeah, it's there. Let's see what it does. Let's see. It might be doing a pullback, wanting to go higher. Anything is possible, but we still haven't hit this swing low down here, which is unusual. That's the Asia low right there. Asia low is right here. Got up to here, didn't really tap it. So it did tap it here on ES. Oh, it might be going for it now. Might want to hit those too. Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, it's only been 5 minutes since the market opened, guys, so stay tuned. The trade is coming soon. What was I gonna say? Risk accordingly. ATR is at 42 on the 5-minute time frame. Very high volatility, so make sure you risk down, or just watch today. Make sure you hit that like button on this video. I deeply appreciate it. Tell your friends, share it with your friends if they're interested about learning day trading with somebody who's honest and shows all their trades, doesn't hide their graph or wins or losses, because a lot of the people be hiding their screens. Oh, I just took a trade, but you can't see anything. So here I show you the entry, the exit, everything. There is no gatekeeping, no hiding. I tell you my exact thought process, and a lot of these people don't tell you shit. So major difference. And you could ask me questions, guys. I don't have 10,000 people watching me, so I could almost respond to every single one of you guys that watch me. So, and there's no stupid questions, guys. This shit is very difficult. So if you look at something on my screen, you're like, what the hell is the red and the green? What the hell am I looking at? I try to explain the whole thing for you guys. What's a prop firm? What's that? What's this? How do I get started? Whatever it is, I could pretty much walk you through it. But yeah, let's see. We're getting a clear rejection off EMA 21 here. Let's see if it goes all the way down, what it's gonna do. We still have plenty of time here. Remember, 2 red folders, PMI news at 9:45. So in the next 6 minutes and 20 seconds, we're gonna have 2 red folders. So just relax. Let's wait for that shit to pass. All right. And then an orange folder at 10. How's the poll going? Let's see what the poll says. 67 dump. Oh, okay. Sideways, 33%. All right, you guys think it's going lower? I mean, that's a good thought process. Can it go sideways too? Absolutely. Let's see. This is how I see it, guys. There it is. There's the chat, guys. Let's go. There's the chat. All right, so this is what you guys are thinking. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Sorry. Oh, big engulfing red candle here. Big engulfing red candle. This might want to go lower. Might want to hit that. Yeah, take a quick scalp.
Order filled.
Oh shit! Quick scalp. Quick scalp right here. Oh shit! My bad. Come on, take out that Asia low. I know this is a bad trade. Come on, take out that Asia low. Oh my god. Ain't no way. Why did I take this trade? Come on, go for that Asia low, bro. This is a retarded trade. Oh my god. It didn't take the Asia low? I don't believe it. That's huge.
Target filled.
Oh, okay. I was about to say that was a stupid trade, guys. Don't don't get mad at me. All right. That was a stupid. I just figured it took out this low. It was gonna take out the little Asia low before it popped right back up. Plus, this was super engulfing, guys. So that was a quick scalp. It was a horrible risk to reward, but I couldn't pass it up, guys. Look, it's probably gonna go to hell now. This shit is probably going straight down. But yeah, I couldn't give up the little bit of money that I made there, which was nothing, but give me a little buffer. 68 bucks. 68 bucks. Anyways, let's wait for the real trade. Relax. That wasn't the real trade, guys. That wasn't the real trade. I just couldn't pass up the sweep. All right. So it looks like it's gonna hit there. Oh my god. I should have just done a regular ass short off that right there, right? Yo, this shit just fucking tough. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yep. It's trying to fill this gap now. If you guys took that short and are still in it, congratulations. Where did I take that? I took it right at the close of the candle. Right at the close. Beautiful fucking short. I know that was a super scalp, guys. I usually don't do scalps, but I couldn't pass that up, man. That was clearly gonna sweep the Asia low. That would have been a sucky loss though. If it just popped right back up after hitting this swing low, that would have been some crazy shit. Anyways. Alright, I'm gonna end this poll. Look at that. Okay, guys. Don't become liquidity. Do not become liquidity. This just tapped the swing low and it just picked up a lot of buyers down here at a great price. So be careful, guys. Let's stay patient. Orb is about to be set, so I'm gonna set the orb for our regular trade. Our normal back tested trade. All right. Let's go back to ES. Nice little sweep there. I just took a little scalp. Nothing crazy. Most people would be like, yo, you just made 70 bucks. You're done for the day. Nah, we're not done. We're not done. All right, so we're going to set this about here. All right. We got the orbs kind of. Let's level that out there. Okay, that is the current orb, unless this candle rips through it right now. But let's see. If we are looking for anything, guys, it will be a short. Overall, we are still under the VWAP and EMAs. So, but we got to be careful here because it just tapped the swing low. And there's news now in 30 seconds. So this shit could just rip up or rip down. Do not chase it. Do not chase it, guys. Okay? Here we go. Let's go to ES so we could see the 5-minute time frame there. 5-minute time frame. Market's going to move volatile. 2 red folders about to come out. Get ready. Here we go. And red folder news. Here it is. Boom. Straight up. Made a pretty big wake up there. Undecided which way it wants to go. Is it going to inverse this and pop up, or is it going to go straight to hell? Let's check the news out. Let's check the news out. The news came out positive. Is that positive news? No. Yes. Maybe. Undecided. Positive and then negative. Flash services PMI. Flash manufacturing PMI. So it looks like it shouldn't move the market. It's probably going to stay as a doji. Let's see, guys. Oh, great scalp. I appreciate it, man. A little baby scalp. Nothing crazy. I usually don't do that, but it was so obvious, guys. I mean, it was so obvious. It wanted to sweep that little Asia low that I had to take it. I had to take it. It was a little backwards risk to reward there. 70 to lose 200. I just wanted to give it a little wiggle room. ATR is currently at 48.7, almost 49. Okay, is this gonna rip to the upside now? Could it be just a pullback? Is it gonna go to the moon? Man, the overall trend is bearish, guys. Overall trend is bearish. Candle is very red. It did just pop a swing low and filled a 1 hour. It didn't fill, it tapped into a 1 hour imbalance of that big massive green giant from yesterday. So I'm sure there's a lot of buyers there. It's gonna get tricky. It's gonna get tricky. Let's see what it does. We can't. There's more news at 10 a.m. Orange folder, but we'll see. Now, overall, I'm looking for a short, guys. Overall, I'm looking for a short. If it breaks to the downside again, it probably wants to fill the rest of this gap, right? But I really need confirmation. It's tapping EMA. I don't even know if that's EMA 200 anymore, honestly. What EMA is that? Sometimes I have EMAs that I don't even remember. Let's see. Do we have? Oh, I have different time frame EMAs on this S&P. Nah, whatever. You can see it's having a reaction there. Let's see. Might want to go lower. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Maybe this is just a pullback for it to go lower. Oh my gosh. We do have the new 1 hour candle opening up in 11 minutes, as you can see here. So be very careful, guys. My contact is now getting stuck. That's great. Okay, that's a clear rejection to go higher. Let's see what ES looks like. Rejection. Guys, if this breaks to the bottom, we're going short. I'm just saying. This breaks to the bottom. Will it get there in 30 seconds? I don't know. I don't think so, but if it does, let's get a double confirmation. Breaks out an orb on ES and NQ, then yeah. Uh-oh. 20 seconds. Will it get down there? 1 hour time frame looks very bearish. I'm gonna take it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it. Thug life. Thug life. Alright, so I think I'm gonna move this to right there. And we're gonna move this. ATR is 50, guys. So I might get cooked. I know it didn't break out. I might play myself, but this is very bearish. Very strong rejection off the imbalance. Very strong rejection. I think it wants to just dump a little bit more. And there it goes. ATR is 50. Come on, let's get a nice dump to the lows. Let's go. Let's go. I know it didn't break out, guys, but this is just showing very strong rejection to go up. So I think it wants to go just a little lower. You know, sorry that we didn't wait for the break. I just didn't want to miss out taking the break and then it breaks down here, which is possible. Or it could flip up and kill me at 450. It's not... But this on the higher time frames is looking very, very bearish, guys. It's just very bearish. It's pushing hard. It's pushing down hard. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm okay if it taps me out, guys. Then it invalidates my short. It invalidates me. So yeah, I know I didn't wait for the break, but if it breaks out, that's another confirmation it's going lower, and I'm already in early. So look at that, we're up 100 already with 3 micros. You guys can close it whenever you like. I think it's gonna go lower, guys. There it goes. There it goes. It just hit the swing low of this candle here, so gotta be careful. There's a lot of buyers here. Come on, let's get a nice flush. Let's get a nice flush and a break to the downside. No pops. No pops. Don't do it. Don't do it yet. Come on, this was a clear rejection. Flush it. If it gets up there, we're cooked. We do have 2 minutes left on this 1 hour candle. Hopefully the next candle flushes. If not, we're cooked. ATR is very high, 50.70. So, oh boy, not looking good. Hope you guys can handle these swings. If not, you're cooked. Maybe I should have waited for the breakout, guys. Sorry. 6 minutes until the new 1 hour candle. I don't know what I was saying. Not good. Not good. It did tap the swing low. I should have put maybe... not looking good. $318 is up here. Do I think it's gonna reach up here? That'd be some crazy shit. It could though, but right here would invalidate me. So if it does tap here, it might want to flip to go up. You know what I mean? Sorry if it looks a little messy, but yeah, if it gets to the stop, guys, then yeah, I'm cooked. But I mean, overall trend is bearish, so the trend should be our friend. Let's see. This could be just a little pop because it did hit the swing low here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Y'all could have closed it easily. Y'all could have closed it around here. It wasn't profit. I know it was quick, but let's see what happens, guys. All right, so that's another rejection to the downside. That's a good sign. That's about to close. Come on. Come on. Get down there. Make a nice strong... Oh, no. Wrong way. Wrong way. All right, let's see. Let's get a flush. Come on. Let's get a flush. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not good. What are you doing, ES? Get down here, man. Get down here. Let's go. Nah, this shit's gonna pop me and then go down. This could be the pullback. There hasn't been 3 candle down and maybe 2 up. Take out the stops, come back down. Maybe. I don't know. Not good. Not good. Not good. Uh-oh. Yeah, these swings are high. 51 ATR. New candle opening in 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Is it gonna be a red candle or a green candle? We're looking for red candles, guys. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Let's go. Let's go. Reverse. Reverse. You think my stop is big enough? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we get a push down here, man. Let's go. Hang in there, guys. Hang in there. The trend is our friend, right? The trend is our friend. Trend is bearish. Yes, it did hit a swing low, so it just could have. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Green Giant got us. What a sweep. Oh yeah. Not good. Holy shit. Very close to my stop, guys. Very close. Well, I'm gonna double down depending on what happens here. If I win, we're done. If I lose, I'll take one more trade. So let's see what happens. Didn't invalidate it though. Invalidated would have been a stop out, which it's not impossible still. So a pretty clear rejection to the downside. Oh, ooh. Let's go. Let's turn it into a hammer. Okay, we got about 1 minute and 46 seconds until the next 1 hour candle at 10 a.m. There is orange folder. There is an orange folder at 10 a.m. Let's see how that works. Let's see how that works. Oof. Oof. That was a lot of sellers right there. If you guys didn't have your stop big enough, you're cooked. And that's, I might get cooked regardless, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see if we can hang in there and not get pushed down a little bit more. Oh no. The bulls might be stepping in, man. Uh-oh. 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 This is looking ugly, guys. This is looking ugly. Can we get some negative news real fast right now? Not good. That's looking really bad. Come on, let's get a clear rejection off this. Don't go for the EMA 21. Don't do it. EMA 21 is here. 450. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Not good. Next candle is opening up right now, and I'm probably gonna get destroyed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Yep. If it pops up, I'm cooked. I'm
Stop filled.
Oh, super cooked. Super cooked. Jesus. Okay. All right. So let's see how that looks. Down $100. All right. So what we're gonna do? All right. They asked for it. We're gonna wait for a better trade, guys. Hang in there. I really thought it was gonna break down there and just fucking popped. Sorry about that, guys. There was an opportunity right here to close, but it hit this swing low right here, and it just completely ripped. Look at that. It just hit EMA 21 and now it's rejecting. If it closes above my stop, this could be going all the way up now. Let's see. All right, down 400 for the day, $100 on the week. We gonna get this back. Don't worry. Watch this. It was a risky trade. It didn't break out of orb, guys. So technically, I didn't take the greatest probability, right? It didn't break to the downside. I should have probably waited for that, but I was premature. All right, this is an eval. I'm not trading with funded accounts. It's just an eval. So as you can see, clear rejection. Did not close above my stop, which was right there and got stopped out. If it closes above that, it might want to continue popping up. If it comes down and breaks to the bottom, I'll take another short. All right, new 1 hour candle did open up. It did its pop up. It might want to go lower. We'll see. Or it might want to start going up now. Who knows? It did hit a swing low and tapped into the 1 hour imbalance. So we're going to wait and react to what it shows us. All right, patience, patience. We're gonna get it back. Just relax. Sorry, that was a very impulsive trade. Maybe we should wait for the break, David. You know. Like always. All right. Okay, let's see. Does this just want to chop or is it gonna dump finally? By the way, sorry if you didn't see that. That's where we're at. That is where we're at. All right. Got cooked. Oh man, got cooked 200. All right, I'm gonna take a better trade. Sorry, man. I'm gonna take a better trade. Sorry. Let's see what happens here. All right. We should get a, hopefully we get a rejection to the downside and an inversion right through this fair value gap. If it closes through it, I want to see this turn into a hammer. And let's see what ES does. But I want to see an inversion right through this. All right. Let's see. If I could get an inversion closure under here and a closure under this, that's a clear signal that it wants to continue the downtrend. All right. Just hang in there. Don't lose faith, guys. ATR is rough. ATR is at 52 right now, so Okay, let's see. Maybe it doesn't want to keep going lower anymore. Maybe it's finally gonna do its pop to the upside. Let's see. The 1 hour is, maybe it's doing a pullback right now, or it did hit this. Might want to close. I don't know. Let's wait. Let's wait. I mean, if it goes sideways, then we're in trouble for today. Might have to take that loss on the chin and come back tomorrow, but we're gonna have to stay patient here. Let's see what this thing wants to do. Okay, so if this candle closes like that, it might want to go all the way up to VWAP. VWAP is the purple and the pivot point there. Whoa, good thing we got stopped out there, huh? We'd be getting killed right now. Wow, this thing is going to the moon now. Alright, we're not going to take a breakout to the upside because VWAP is up there. So I'm looking for a rejection off VWAP to the downside. If it rips through all that, then we'll reassess. For now, let's just sit on our hands, guys. We'll wait for a good move. Let's see. All right. Major pullback from down there. I might want to retest VWAP. Let's see. The buyers really stepped in right there on this hammer. Why did I take this short, guys? We were in a bearish trend. It is in a bearish momentum. It clearly got rejected off here, closed as a hammer. I figured it was gonna go lower. It did go lower, but clearly a lot of buyers just sitting right here ripped it right back up and killed me. But there was an opportunity to close it, guys. You know, I just wanted a little more. That is my fault. You were the only one that said sideways. So, I mean, let's see. If it stays inside the orb going sideways, then yeah. There's no other trade for today. But if we get a clear push in a direction, let's see. All right, so is it going to tap VWAP? The pivot point up here. Let's see, or is it very tricky, guys, very tricky. Let's see what ES is doing. So ES broke to the upside. Obviously tapped EMA 50 and VWAP. So just tapped an imbalance. Let's see how it reacts there. Let's see how it reacts to all that. Never take a breakout into VWAP. Not usually good. Let's see. Is there a lot of buyers or sellers at VWAP? We're gonna find out on ES, on S&P 500 here, if it has buyers or sellers. If it keeps ripping to the upside, then guys, it might be going up. But now we got to be careful with VWAP on NQ. We got to see it strongly push up to here and up to here. Let's see. ATR is 54, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you're able to handle a 100-point stop loss on your next trade. All right, so we're getting a clear rejection off VWAP and EMA 50 on ES. I'm looking for an inversion to the downside. Inversion meaning inverses this imbalance and closes strongly down here. And I want to see a strong engulfing red candle here. If it bounces up again without going lower, then 100% we're going sideways. 100% we would be going sideways. Oof. There's we got about, what, 2 minutes. 2 minutes until that candle closes to really know what it wants to do. All right, it's bouncing at these EMAs here. I need to see a strong close. Oh yeah, oh yes, let's go. Close strongly like this and we're going short, guys. Again, this is a strong rejection off. Let's see the higher time frame. Look at that hammer, guys. It's going for that swing low. We have 1 minute and 20 seconds. I'm not gonna chase it this time though. We're gonna wait for the confirmation. I wanna see it in close like about here. Really, I want to see it close past this. Now, if it rips right back up, then yo, that, you know, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. What are we gonna do? Yeah, come on, show some more strength to the downside. It's popping, guys. It's not inversing it. We're gonna have to stay patient, guys. We're gonna have to stay patient. Sorry, there we go. I wanted to see that. Oh, okay, sorry. I don't know why that was showing it there. I wanted to see the higher time frames, what they were looking like. Yeah, we're not taking the short. Okay, relax. That was a big sweep. Yeah, it could just be sideways action. Could be. We will see in a minute what this really wants to do here. Patience, guys. Patience. I will stay here until we catch a good move. Come on, let's get some continuation. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Let's see. Is it gonna dump? I think so. It is choppy though right now, guys. It is choppy. Yeah, there we go. Let's get a nice flush. Let's get a nice flush. We have 2 minutes and 50 seconds until this candle finishes forming. If I take a short, guys, and it pops right back up, then I'll be done for the day because it's chopping. But if it flushes when I take a short, then we're good. Stay patient. Stay patient. It is choppy chop. Not good. No continuation to the downside there. Very wicky. Very wicky. Come on. ATR's at 58 on the 5-minute time frame, guys. 58. Does this shit want to go up or does it want to go down? Oh, wow. Right back up. Crazy. Let's see what happens, guys. It is going sideways. But I'm gonna stay patient until it breaks out of orb on NQ. I want to see a big break. $30 until this candle closes. Looks like a fake out to the bottom again. All right, make sure you guys hit that like button if you haven't already. Share, comment. Just gonna stay patient here until I see a good opportunity, guys. I'm not gonna force another trade. I'm trying to get this money back. This shit is just going sideways right now, for sure. You jinxed it. Sorry. Let's see. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Figure it out, man. Come on. We're going to stay patient until we see a good move, guys. Just stay patient. Sorry if you see the Porsche again. Come on. Figure it out. Figure it out, NASDAQ. Which way you want to go? Let's see what it's doing on the 1 hour time frame. It's doing a little pop. It's doing a little pop. Yeah. I mean, I think oil's gonna pump because, you know, the Strait of Hormuz is still closed, really. So it's really going off sentiment, but people think Trump is bluffing, so this should dump. It should dump. Let's go. Is this what we were looking for? Come on. Stick to the hammer. Let's see what 30 minutes is looking like. 30 minutes looking like a hammer. If it could close down here, guys, it's hammering down. If it pops right back up, then yeah, we're in a chop market for sure. Tricky hammer time. Very wicky. Wick. Not good. We need a strong close down here. Need a strong close. I feel like it's not gonna give us the chance to enter it. I feel like it's gonna run on one candle, and we're gonna be like, wait. Not looking good. This shit is super chop. I'll stay here, guys, until I find a move, man. Yes, fundamentally you are correct. Fundamentals are very uncertain right now, so I agree with you. Let's see what the technicals say to us. Yeah, it's running sideways right now. But this is the first red candle, so on the 15-minute time frame. So might want to continue. Let's see what this is looking like. Let's see what happens. Yeah, definitely need a break. So if I'm gonna set another orb, I need to see a break, guys. Out of this little range right here, say here, I need to see a break out of one of these little ranges. I know it's a lot of freaking squares. I want to see a break out of this shit. Let's see if we could break out of that. We might get a break, but if it stays inside that shit, we're cooked. Okay. Come on. Let's see what you doing. What you doing over here? honestly, I think it wants to fill that imbalance, you know? That imbalance here, it's a pretty big imbalance. It wants to fill that. It's just, you know, it might have some choppy action to do it. It might grind its way down. Not completely, unless some negative ass news comes out or something. Look at this shit, right back up. Fuck. Come on. Come on. Let's get some direction. I'm looking for shorts, guys. Shorts is more ideal for me just because the overall trend is bearish. If this thing decides it wants to run up to the moon, I don't want to take my chance doing that. All right, this looks like a doji sideways candle. Hmm. 30-minute candle about to close in 1 minute. Oh man, sometimes this market has recently been very, very whack. No clear direction, guys. This shit's barcoding right now. No clear direction just yet. We're gonna hang tight, guys. It's only 10:28. 10:29, sorry. Dude, I'll wait all day, but I'm gonna get this move, guys. I'm letting you know, I'll wait here till 4 p.m. if I have to, but I'm gonna get this move. There we go. Does this want to dump now? Let's see. I'm telling you, the shorts, they have to come in. They have to come in, man. They don't have to. They don't have to. ATR is at 58, ladies and gentlemen. 58. We're getting dojis left and right. Dojis. Some beautiful sideways action right now. So we're just gonna stay patient until we get a breakout. Stay patient. Stay patient, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Share this with people who are interested in trading, of course. Tell your friends to subscribe, even if they don't care about trading. Super chop. Hey, listen, I'ma stay patient. Patient does pay. We got this. Oh, I'm not concerned, bro. I'm not concerned. I'm sorry that, you know, the short didn't play out, guys. You know, I did take it premature. I should have waited for the breakout. I really thought I was gonna get ahead of it, and it just didn't obviously play out. You know, that's how you learn, guys. Stay more patient and wait for the breakout next time. But whatever. I told you guys, risk down. Be careful, because it's just the ATR is at 58. I'm trading just an eval. This shit is just doesn't know where to go right now. But it's gonna deliver. It's definitely gonna deliver before the end of the day. I just need to catch a quick little 40-50 points. Nothing crazy, right? 40-50 points. That's all. I mean, it's getting tight. At this point, it's getting tight, guys. It is getting tight. It's going to figure out. It's going to explode either to the downside or the upside. I personally think the higher probability is to the downside. I don't, you know. If it does go up, might want to retest VWAP and these EMAs here. We'll see. Okay, it's breaking out on ES now to the upside. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Still very choppy on NQ, so let's see the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it's still very undecided, guys. Very undecided on the higher time. I'm looking at the 4 hour time frame. It is a doji on the 4 hour time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, it's going completely sideways. So just stay patient, guys. We're gonna get this back. We're gonna get it back. Let's see. VWAP is right here, so breaking out would have to be something strong, really strong, guys. We have to break above VWAP on NQ also to be looking for longs. Sorry. Did I pass that yawn on to you guys? All right, let's see what it does. Should be interesting. It broke out an orb on ES, but it's going sideways on NQ, so very interesting to see what it does next. If this is a range, it should dump. It should go right back down. If it's a range, it should reject. But we'll see. Let me look at X. Any news? Marine traffic data shows many of ships are starting to pass through the Strait of Hormuz again. Iran has reportedly approved all GCC European and foreign ships for passage at a $2 million Chinese dollar fee, excluding Israeli and American vessels. They're excluding us. Oh wow. So Russia, Putin, he says the additional revenues by Russian oil and gas companies due to rising prices should be used to lower the debts. So Trump's war in Iran since weeks is paying for Russians' debt. Yo, this is benefiting Russia. Oh, look at the rejection. It's a range. Went up, then went right back down. And that's why these false breakouts here. Overall, I think this thing wants to dump, guys. I think it does. Overall. But we're going to wait for it to really show us it wants to rip. Let's see. We need to see a clear breakout to the downside before we take another trade. Let's see. Okay, is this the breakdown? Again, I marked out this orb earlier. I know you can't really see it that well, but if it breaks under here, guys, if it breaks under here, it might want to continue. It might, but don't get too excited. Every time it gets there, it bounces right back up. Let's see what happens. We got a minute and 12 seconds. Let's see how that candle reacts. We do have freaking EMAs right here, so I would like a nice close down here on ES, and then a nice break close down here to take a short. I don't know if we're gonna get that shit. It just keeps popping right back up. Keeps popping, man. It keeps popping. Patience, guys. Patience. I know. Just stay patient, guys. All right. Yep. Choppity chop chop. Well, if it's a range, it should pop right back up again. We need to just send another rocket to Iran so this shit could just dump. Market just hears about the rocket, boom, flushes. Look at this shit, right back up again. This shit is crazy. All right. Right back up, right back down. Come on, let's get it. Let's get a reverse. Can we get a dump? This shit is just whack attack. Look at that. Dun, 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 dun. Most people would be like, all right, I'm closing my charts. I'm done for the day. This thing's just going to go sideways. I'm going to give it till 11:35, guys. If 11:35, nothing happens, I just might close the computer and we'll come back tomorrow and get the $100 back. Okay? I'm down $100 for the week. It's Tuesday. It's been these kind of weeks with this damn war have been just, it's been tough. It's been tough. All right, now this shit wants to go up. Now this wants to go up. Be careful, guys. It's just still ranging. Overall trend is still bearish. So don't get fooled. Still got VWAP on top of us right here, and EMA 50. Swing high, pivot point, EMA 200, a lot of resistance to go higher. Not saying it can't go higher, it's just not ideal unless some crazy ass news happens. Two hours ago, update by Donald J. Trump, Truth Social. Ships are slowly returning to the Strait of Hormuz, but passage remains tightly controlled by Iran, with reports claiming fees of up to $2 million per tanker through Tehran, though Tehran denies charging any toll. Okay. Like little ants, bro. It looks like little ants. All right, come on. What do you want to do, NASDAQ? S&P is trying to go to the upside here. Clearly trying, but don't be fooled. This thing's just hanging around all the EMAs, really. All EMAs are right here, and it's just, we need to see a clear rip all the way up here. This is still choppy, guys. Still choppy. Okay, right back down. It's retesting VWAP on ES. Let's see what happens here. You know, overall trend is still bearish, guys. And I think it wants to fill those imbalances below on the 1 hour time frame. I still think it wants to fill this here. So you're gonna see a lot of movement here. This candle closes at 11. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Should be interesting. Today's gonna be one of those days that we're gonna wait for the freaking move, guys. I know, sideways action is real. Sideways action is real today, man. Technically, it's still inside orb, guys. It hasn't broken out of orb. In reality, look at the orb. It's still been in. It hasn't broken out. It wicked out, right? Well, we should have. I mean, it should have delivered. That's bullshit. But it didn't. Ripped right back up, and now it's been chopping for how long? Hasn't broken out of orb yet. ATR's at 57. It's gonna explode. I'm telling you, this shit's gonna explode any second now. Oh yeah, something's gonna happen for sure. Hopefully I'm still alive when it does happen, and I take the trade in the right direction, because yo, this shit doesn't know what to do with itself right now. Let's see what happens, guys. So has been in a downtrend here. Could it pop right back up? It's possible. It did tap some of this imbalance. Might want to, every time it did tap the imbalance, we saw it pop up, tap some of the imbalance, popped up, tap some of the imbalance, might want to pop up a little bit. It's not impossible, but I want to see a strong pump, man, because these little pullbacks, they're like 100 points. So yeah, let's see. Patience, guys, patience. 10 minutes. We got the 11 o'clock 1 hour candle opening. Let's see what happens. This shit gonna dump, or is it gonna pump? We're looking at the 1 hour time frame on the right here, and 5 minute time frame going completely sideways. Yep, that's what's happening. Oops, hold up. Let's do this. All right, extended the orb just out a little bit more. Here we go, right back into the range. Right back, and we're back. And now it's going down again. And right back to doji. This is gonna close as a doji or a hammer. If it closes as a hammer, guys, that might be what we're looking for. Let's go. Come on, man. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it. What are we looking at here? Oh, this looks good. Again, this is the little range that it's been in. It kind of broke out of the range and then hit super trend, hit the swing high, completely rejection, completely rejecting to the downside. Man, if it does break down here, guys, I'll take the short, but if it pops right back up, we're cooked. And that would be I'll be done for the day if that happens, because I'm not gonna keep getting chopped out. So Oh my god, dude. Right back up again. This shit is crazy right now, man. I just keep updating Truth X just to make sure this guy doesn't say something. Oh, look at this freaking rip. I didn't even notice it, guys. Whoa. All right, so we got a breakout of orb to the upside. But look at this clear rejection of EMA 50. No, I'm sorry. We got a clear rejection of VWAP, EMA 50, EMA 200. Right back into orb. Lots of sellers there, guys. Clearly, lots of sellers. But that was a crazy ass candle right there. That was probably for these people who took a long right here to get out. That was a perfect little pop. That's a little Peter Pan candle. It just needed to retest VWAP, man. If it didn't touch VWAP, let's see what this thing does, man. Keep a close eye on this thing. I'm looking down for 1 second to see if there's any news. And this shit just flies to the moon. Alright, let's see what the 1 hour looks like. Look at that. Guys, if we get a massive green giant up here, I'll take a long. But I need this shit to close strong. You know what I mean? Right through this imbalance and just close strong as a green ass candle for me to take a long. It's kind of sketchy, but on the 4 hour time frame, it would be aiming for this right here, or at least this up here. But I need to see it close green, like here, in 5 minutes. This is closing right now. Obviously, it was a sweep. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna stay patient, guys. Let's see what happens. Oh. Uh-oh. That could have been a sweep. Let's see. We're still inside orb. We got the new 1 hour candle opening up in 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Right back down, guys. Let's see. See how it looks on ES. ES has been trying to go up for a minute. It's been trying to pump. It did break super trend, so super trend flipped on ES. Super trend is still right here on NQ, so it has to close very strongly up here, guys, for me to look for a long. So let's see what happens. It has to close very strongly up here for me to look for a long, which it looks like it's freaking coming, guys. I didn't expect it, but we got to react to what we see. Not overall, I did want to see it dump, but this looks like it wants to go higher, man. This is a fade trend. If it pops and closes around here, guys, or it makes a higher high, shit, this will be the first time it breaks out of orb, like closes outside of orb. So And this is gonna be the new 1 hour candle when this closes at 11 o'clock. So interesting if it wants to go higher. Yeah, man, I don't know. Very tricky to get this, but I need to see good confirmations that it wants to go higher, which we're kind of getting them. Two minutes and 27 seconds. Let's see what you're gonna do, NASDAQ. If this shit breaks to the upside and then completely dumps, bruh, I'm gonna say F you and shut the computer off. Come on. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is looking like. Pretty engulfing there. But it did tap VWAP and all the EMAs, guys. So again, I want to see it close green as shit above this. If it can't close solid green up here, I don't want the long. I don't want it. I want to see it close green up here. If that doesn't happen, then this shit could be a fake out to the upside and rip down. Let's see. It did just tap EMA 200, EMA 50, VWAP on the 5 minute time frame. And the new 1 hour candle is about to come out. So let's just stay a little more patient. We've already waited this much, you know. Look at that. Complete rejection to the upside. What a chop, man. What a fucking chop. What a chop. Look at that shit. Whoa. I closed my eyes for bro, I looked down for 2 seconds. This shit just flushed. Wow. What the hell is going on, bro? I literally looked down. I look back up and I see a massive wick to the bottom. Yo, yeah. No long here, guys. Hold on. All right. New 1 hour candle. Here we go. What you gonna do? This is the 1 hour time frame, so look at this shit. Peter Pan. Is it gonna Peter Pan? The buyers and sellers are going at it, guys. Completely going at it. Ay. They really are cashing out, bro. They're just fucking completely wiping everybody's ass out right now. Look at this bullshit, bro. Look at this barcode. Wah, 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 wah. They're just fucking wiping everybody's shit. But we're gonna stay patient and we're gonna wait until it says, yo, this is where I'm going. Just hang tight. It's gonna give it to us. It's gonna give it to us. Watch. It's gonna give it to us, guys. Still inside orb, guys. We are still inside orb. Sideways range probability has been correct. Yes, sir. We're getting closer to a resolution, though. Well, from all this consolidating, because that's what sideways action is, consolidation of price. Price is trying to discover which way it wants to go. It will explode in one direction. Which direction is that? We'll see. But yeah, You were 100%. 100%. Let's see what happens. Nope, right back down. Every time it touches that pivot point. 2 minutes and 30 seconds until this candle closes. This shit is just wiping everybody's shit out. Let's see. Come on, man. Let's get a little flush. Let's fill the imbalance, right? This is all I want to see. I want to see it fill this shit today. Maybe I won't see it. I don't know. Maybe it should go right back up to the swing highs up here. But we need to see it close strongly green above this right here. If that's the case, then it's going to grind to the upside. Are we gonna stay here till freaking power hour? Let's stay here till power hour, 3 o'clock. Yo, this shit is complete garbage right now. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Let's go. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Not looking good for the longs yet. Showed some strength and got completely rejected at EMA 200. This is the 1 hour time frame, guys. Overall trend could be the pullback. It kind of tapped everything here. Might want to come up here. Might start going back down. We're gonna have to stay real patient. Real patient. Hasn't broken out of. It's still in orb. It's still inside orb, guys, and it's 11:05. We're still inside orb. Again, I think I'm gonna give this until 11:35. If it's still going sideways by 11:35, I'm done. We'll get the $100 tomorrow, man. I'm not gonna stay all day here. This shit just might chop all day. And if that's the case, then yeah, let's not waste our day here for a low probability trade, guys. This is a slow grind to the upside, but I feel like a drop is coming. Let's see what wick. I'm gonna set the orb to 11:35. So if it gets past this, guys, yeah. Clear rejection off VWAP on NQ here. Went up, rejection. Rejection off the pivot, rejection off EMA 200, rejection off VWAP, really. I need to see a strong close up here for me to take a long. Strong close. Let's see what happens. Oh, good. It really is untradeable right now. It is untradeable. Unless you're a range trader, then this is the ideal market for you, because you like trading the range. The correlation, yeah, I mean, everything has been going pretty sideways just because of this Iran conflict here. Is this thing gonna finally break out to the upside? Is it gonna break outside of orb? Let's see. Be a risky long, man. That's a risky long. But you gotta pay to play. ATR's at 70. Lord help us. ATR average trading range at 70. That is insanity. Very volatile. These candles are very volatile. Nope. Rejected again. Wick, wick, wick. Yeah, I mean, nobody really knows the tops and bottoms, to be honest. It's just a matter of, I mean, if I were to look for shorts trading the range, I look for the tap of EMA 200 and then take a short there, take a short here, like if you're trading the range. Yeah, there's people that trade the range. My broker is Tradeovate. Well, Ninja Trader, really. This is the Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, same company. But I'm trading on Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader. Yes, sir. It is called Ninja Trader to trade on this, or you could trade if you have a Mac, then you're not going to be able to trade with Ninja Trader. You're going to need Tradeovate if you use a Mac. If you have a Windows computer, then you could do Ninja Trader. Or if you have Parallels, right, on your Mac, then you could do Ninja Trader. So there you go. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Nice. All right, welcome. I'm here every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. trading the NASDAQ. Let's see. All right, well, does it want to go up? Is it gonna go up? I don't know. We got Super Chop over here. Super Chop. Okay. Is it gonna pop? Is it finally gonna pop? Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Make sure to like and share to your friends who are interested in day trading the NASDAQ Futures market. Man, every time it wants to pop out of orb, it it keeps getting rejected off that pivot point there. We got that PP pivot point, keeps rejecting. Let's see if we could finally get a breakout. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame here. We're gonna get a breakout? I don't know. We'll find out in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's see. Is it gonna break to the upside or not? I need to see a big
green giant
to take along. That would be what I'm looking for. This thing needs to eat a little mushroom and drink some.
He needs some milk.
It needs a little milk to pump. Let's see what happens though. Hopefully the bulls step in hard. We could get at least to the swing high here. Where's the swing high? That's the swing high. So I know I'm asking for a lot. That's a big push. Swing high. That's what I'm talking about right here. 390, 24, 398. Oh no, wait. Bro, what swing high is that? 24, 435. Oh yeah, that's the swing high. Up here. That's a lot. Not improbable, but we'll see. All right, this candle's about to close. Is it gonna close? Yeah, it's closing very weak, guys. Very weak. Look at that indecision. If you guys are trading this, you're pretty much gambling at the moment.
Let's go gambling. Oh dang it. Oh dang it. Oh dang it.
Yeah, I'm really looking for either a big dump to the downside. I need this shit to nuke.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Or a massive green giant.
Green giant.
And I need that green giant up here, baby. All right, this is gonna close, but we're still under the pivot, so, and it's still inside orb, guys. So I already got caught not taking the break out, so I took this big hammer right here and it cooked me. Invalidated the trade right here. Came right back up. Hey, you know, good thing it took me out here, really, because it went all the way here. Never came back down to my entry. And then ended up going even higher. So if I would have had put my stop all the way up here, I would have lost a lot more. A lot more. I would say I over-risked on this trade a little bit, but whatever. It is what it is. It's still an eval, guys. It's just an eval that I'm trading because this ATR is at 66 right now. So let's see. Let's go. Florida in the house. Let's go. United States. The state of Florida. All right, this thing looks like it wants to break out. Am I finally gonna get the pump that I'm looking for? So sorry. Yeah, if I take a long here, guys, and this shit just rips to the downside, I'm gonna be furious. I might crash out. Might go on tilt. No, I'm kidding. You know, it is what it is. Let's see what happens. Oh my god. Yo, that shit just popped. It just popped. On NQ it popped. So let's see how this candle closes in 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Are we gonna break super trend or what's up? It just tapped EMA 200 on the 15-minute time frame. $414. Yeah, I really do think if it snaps and closes up here, guys, it might want to go to this 414 number. Right back down, rejected. Insanity. Right back down. Rejected off EMA 200 on the 15-minute time frame. Right back into orb. And right back up again. We got 2 minutes, guys. We got 2 minutes. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you haven't already on the video. Comment on the video. Let's see if we can finally get out of the hole here and finish the day. Come on. Let's get a nice little green candle. Big pump to the upside. Hopefully it doesn't fake me out. Let's get a nice pump. Let's get a nice pump. Let's go. We got a minute and 20 seconds or less. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Let's just watch to see what this thing does. Come on, let's get some continuation, man. Let's get some continuation here. 46 seconds. How are we looking at the 1 hour? It's looking strong, man. It's looking strong, but kind of tapping EMA 50 here. Oh, yes. All right, guys, get ready. This closes strongly up there. I'm looking for that longy dong. I'm gonna do it. I know it's a little sketchy. It could completely reverse and kill me, but I'm willing to take this chance, man. If it lose, it lose. You die, you die.
Order filled.
Let's go. All right. And we're gonna get a pump now or what? Come on, man. Finally break out to the upside on orb, and ATR's at 64. I'm going to leave it right here, guys. If it stops me at 1,000, then we're down 1,000. But let's hope the pivot point helps protect us. VWAP protects us, and it keeps ripping. Come on. Let's see what happens. It did break super trend, so hopefully we could get some continuation to the upside, guys. Honestly, I'm really looking for at least $500 to $600. If I could get that, I'll probably close it out. I am risking a lot, though. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get a nice... Hey, there we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, Lord. All right, so let's close out 5 midway. Let's not get greedy. Let's see if we could get 5 sold right there.
Order submitted.
Let's go. Let's get that. Let's get that. Come on. Give me it. Oh, man. Come on. You guys can close it whenever you guys like. If you want to get your funds back. Come on. This shit has not been delivering, man. But if I could just get a little more pump. The struggle. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's get up there. Let's get up there. Come on. Let's get a pump. We're looking very bullish right now. Let's go. Let's get a nice little tap. There we go. Oh! So close. Oh my God. No way. No way. No way. Yo, you better come back. I'm not gonna lose this for a fucking tick. You better come back. Yo, no. Please. Please go back. Oh my God. Don't tell me it edged. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get up there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on. Give it to me. Ooh.
Order filled.
Hey. All right, we got 5. We're in. We're going to move to break even, guys. And if it comes down and knocks me out, bro, fuck this market. And we're done for the day. Yo, this shit's gonna fucking chop me out at break even. No, don't do it. You better fucking keep going. Oh my God. Alright, so this is where we're at, guys. Even if we lose this trade, we're still up 124 for the week. But come on, let's get some continuation here. Let's go. Come on, let's get some continuation. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Don't come down. Don't come down. Don't come down. Don't do it. Let's go. 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 Come on, Peter Pan this shit. Peter Pan it. Peter Pan. Come on, let's get at least Auto Trail to kick in at 40 points, man. ATR is 64. This shit should be making a bigger candle. Hey! Whoa! Whoa, this shit is popping. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's go. Yo, let's go. You guys can close it whenever you want. What is happening? Did my Auto Trail kick in, or do I not? It didn't hit 40 points yet? Oh my God. Let's go. Can I hit the 600? Can I hit the 600? Let's go. Rip it. Rip it. This next candle better rip. Come on. Oh my God. I'm about to close this shit. Let's go. Oh shit. Should I get closer? Let's lock in some profits, guys. I'm gonna lock in 182 there. If it comes down, bro, it comes down. I'm gonna lock in 182 in the green no matter what, or 600. Let's go. Nah, I ain't closing it, brother. We're gonna let it ride. We're gonna let it ride. Here it goes. Here it goes. Let's get tight. Let's get tighter. Lock in 250. Let's go. Let's go. We're locking in 250. Is it gonna pump? Come on. 430. Let's go. Oh my God. If this shit reverses, come on. Hit that 600. Hit that 600. Let's go. 5. All right, fuck it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna close it out right there, guys. It can go to the moon and I'm good. I'm good. We're back. We're up 622. Sorry, can you see it here? Hoop, there it is. 622 on the week. Just made 325. We got out of the hole. We were down in the hole, in case you guys were wondering. What was it, 400? Got the 400 back plus 325, making it 622 for the week. Let's go, guys. And that's why I say patience pays. And if you guys are still in this long, you're welcome. This is where my exit was. Here's my entry. I was waiting for this fucking breakout, guys. Patiently. 11:20. And we're done. Let's go. Hey. We were wrong. one time. But the second time, I stayed patient. I waited for it to show me what it wants to do. I hope you guys are out of this trade or trading very tight. Okay? What a relief, guys. I love closing a Tuesday out green. Let's go. On a choppy ass day. When you know how to trade, guys, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's go. Let's get a round of applause here. Make sure you hit that like button. Let's get a round of applause. You know? And that would make
another one.
That's right. Another one. Green yesterday, green today. We took one bad trade earlier this morning, which I was premature, guys. I won't even lie. I didn't even like that. I lost that trade. I just tried to get in before the whole delivery, and it completely just ran out of gas to the downside. It invalidated the short right here. I waited for this bullshit and finally got a breakout that I was looking for and telling you guys, hey, if it breaks strongly here, we're gonna get a pump. It finally happened, and we finally got that pump and that bounce, and yeah, we finally got it, man. All right, we're good. We're at 622 for the week, 325 today. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this eval passed by the end of this week if I continue at this at these P&Ls every day. All I need is a 50% consistency. I'm at like 57 currently, so like just a couple more trades, 320, maybe 500, and I'll show you guys the certificate of passing the eval, and then we have a funded account with no consistency. So that should be fun, and then we'll start getting some payouts so you can see the money. Fair enough. Let's go, guys. I hope you guys took that long with me. You saw that shit? Yo, I closed it out. Yo. Look at my exit here. Look at my exit, guys. Look at this. Woo! Right there. I took that. You said close it like around here, and I was like, nah, no, wait, what was it? Yeah, I think you said close it at this candle right here, and I trailed it. I trailed it right here, and I locked in 250 just in case this happened. And then I saw it right here, and I saw 500 on the P&L, and I was like, yo, I'm not gonna lose 500 for 100 more bucks. So I closed it out, guys. I closed it out. I didn't let it hit TP. That was, what was TP, right? I think TP was like around here, or was it up here? I don't even remember. But yeah, guys. Yeah. Hey, hey, I'm gonna call you Nostradamus with calling out the sideways action, calling out calling out that red candle, close it. I'm gonna need you on the stream every day, sir. Every day, hitting that like button. It was at, it was at 600 bucks, and I closed it at 500. So we were down 400 on the first trade here. So yeah, I mean, I took a partial of the 5 cons here, and then I took the remaining 5 candles out. I closed that out right here. So yes, sir, you are very good luck, man. You need to stay on the trade if you can. Of course, I know you work, brother. But I appreciate everyone for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, tell your friends. This guy knows something. All right, I've been doing this shit for about 2 years already. Not a lot of time, but I am profitable. I can tell you that much, guys. I am profitable, and I have done my homework. You know, there's people that have done this for 10 years, and the biggest thing is not strategy. It comes down to psychology. You know, it comes down to the psychology and risk management. And if you could get that down with a fairly good strategy and keep your emotions in check, guys, you'll be profitable here, man. if I would have lost this trade, honestly, I'd close the computer and we'll come back tomorrow. That's all that would have happened. But I had multiple confluences saying this wanted to go up a little more, and it did. How much did it go up? Let's look at the ruler. Took the long here. Sorry, 50 points. That's usually what I make. 50 points. I was shooting for about 60 points, so TP was. Oh, so sorry. TP was about here. Just a little more. TP was right here, guys. So yeah, now look at this BS. Hopefully you guys were trailing and exited pretty much with me. Thank you, man. God be with you also and your fam. Thank you. I learned from watching all profitable traders, and you're one of them for sure. I appreciate it, man. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching Trading with David 305, the NASDAQ Futures market. We predict the future, but we don't really predict over here, guys. We just react. That's the truth. We predict, you know, if it shows us it wants to go in this direction, it's gonna probably do this, or if it does this, but we wait for those confirmations. And of course, we use information from the news to kind of get, you know, a better perspective of which way it might want to go. Today, the news was right. It did go sideways. It didn't fully deliver. This technically, to be honest, this should have delivered also up to here. So this kind of pullback right here is really sucky. But 50 points, guys. I'm happy with 50 points. That's a good trade to me. That's why I closed it out. I wasn't gonna push the limit to 60. I'm good with the 1-to-1. So yeah. Alright, guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Make sure you tell your friends if they're interested in trading. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 o'clock, Wednesday, for another beautiful trade. Alright, thank you guys. Take it easy. See you later. Alright, that didn't work. See you later.